Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Honda Odyssey. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a drain pan. Don't forget your wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and some safety gloves. Having everything ready makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely raise your Odyssey and locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly and let it drain completely for several minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, replace the drain plug, making sure to use a new crush washer for a tight, leak-free seal. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate your engine's oil fill cap and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new oil, typically around 5 quarts. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, turn it off, and recheck the dipstick to ensure the level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.